So in this section, I specifically want to focus on Amazon to eBay dropshipping. And there are a couple of things that you will need to keep in mind before we obviously get started with Amazon to eBay dropshipping. So first of all, you need to keep in mind that Amazon to eBay dropshipping is considered as a gray area. What do I mean by that, right? So when it comes to dropshipping, this is the dropshipping policy for eBay. It says dropshipping is also known as product sourcing, is a way of selling item on eBay without ever handling item yourself. And it also says that dropshipping where you fulfill the order directly from a wholesale supplier, it's allowed on eBay. So for example, if we are dropshipping from Sales Ye website or Go Dropship, that is completely within eBay terms and condition. The other thing that you need to keep in mind, it makes it very clear here, when you purchase an item from another retailer and a marketplace, which is obviously Amazon, AliExpress, this is not actually allowed on eBay. So eBay and Amazon, obviously they are private companies. Something which is against eBay and Amazon terms and condition, it's not illegal at the end of the day. So when a lot of people I read inside the comments that, Amazon to eBay dropshipping is illegal, then, it's not really illegal. Obviously, it is against eBay terms and condition. So what do I want to really focus on? That you need to make sure that you should not only rely on Amazon to eBay dropshipping business model. You should obviously follow other business models that I will cover inside the course. But Amazon to eBay dropshipping, it should be a way to sort of jumpstart your journey because it's really quick and we can do it in a safe way as well. This is what I mainly want to focus on, how we can do it safely so we don't get our account suspended. And obviously there are a couple of hiccups as well, and then how we can deal with those hiccups at the same time. These are obviously going to be the common issues, and I'm going to tell you how to solve them. And I'm also going to cover how you're going to manage each and everything manually, and also how we can automate this entire process as well. So that is going to be covered in this entire section.